Ma, is it audible to you? Is it okay? Please give me the response. Is it okay? Ma, is it audible to you? Okay. In the morning class, in the first hour, we discussed about flow graph and path testing. In that, the first topic is basic concept of path testing. First one, path testing. We discussed about the path testing and bug assumption. Now we are discussing about the control flow graphs. In that, our control flow graph. That means flow graph is nothing but the graphical representation. Okay, graphical representation. It consists of 4 elements in it. The 4 elements are process block, decisions, junctions, and case statements. First one, process block. Here the process block is a sequence of program statements uninterrupted by either decisions or junctions. What is the meaning of process block? Process block means we are having, that means in C programming, we are having number of functions. Okay, the number of functions will be used in one program. That number of programs or the number of functions is nothing but the number of blocks in the program. One function, if we use sum is a user-defined function. I am using sum as a user-defined function in C. That sum, the curly brace which is opened from sum to ending brace, that called it as a block. Like that, in this flow graph, we are having the graphical representation is to be of sequence of program statements. Okay, next one, it is a sequence of statements such that if any one of the statement of the block is executed. And also a process block is a piece of straight line code. Okay, it is having number of or hundreds of statements in it. That ante a block lo number of statements or number of lines in the program is called as a process block. Okay, from the process block starts from entry to exit or start to stop. Is it clear? Next one is decision. Here, decision is a program point at which the control flow can diverge. Mission language, conditional branch, and conditional skip instructions are examples of decisions. Next one, case statements. Here, the case statement is a multi-way branch or decisions. Now, what is the meaning of decision statements? Is nothing but if else, switch, those are the decision statements. Nothing here in this element of flow graph in decisions, it totally depends on two-way selection or multi-way selection. The multi-way selection is nothing but the switch, and two-way selection is nothing but the if conditions. Okay, branching statements. Next one, case statements. See here, cases comes under, we are having number of cases in a switch statement, isn't it? Here, multi-way branching or decisions comes under the case statements. Next, junction. Now, we are discussing just about the programs here. I mean, programming languages here. Next one is junctions. A junction is a point in the program where the control flow can merge. Nothing but if we want to merge a function within the other function or the structure within the structure. Okay, nothing but integration of any two things in the program or the integration of modules in the project comes under the junction. Next, see this program, do process. the process is nothing but, if we give, what is a definition of a computer? Computer is an electronic device which performs or which takes an input and process the data and gives the output. Same as what is a process? It takes something and it processes, it gives the output. Okay. Okay, ma. It takes input and gives the output. And in the middle, it does the process. Next one, decision. Ma, we know about the decision statements. It is having two. That is, if it is yes, it performs something. If it is false, it goes to the else part. You know about the decision. Okay. Next, junction. What I told you, junction means, it is junction will be performed in the merging statements. That means integrated statements. It combines any two into one, either function within the function or within the structure within the structure, or like that we are merging two into one. That is nothing but junction. Next one, case statements, is simply explains about the multi-way selection, nothing but switch. Is it clear? In switch statement, we are having number of cases. Which case is true, then it jumps to that case. These are the four elements comes under the flow chart. Sorry, what is that? Flow graphs. Next one, what is the difference between flow graphs and flow charts? Now, flow chart is a diagrammatic representation and it consists of number of symbols for different criteria. If we want to draw for the input data, we will write the parallelogram diagram, isn't it? If we want to if we want to take a decision, then we will take diamond shape, isn't it? Like that, we are having some symbols for some categories in the program. Next, what is a flow graph? Flow graph means a graphical representation which you know in a mathematical way. That is either bar chart or circular. In circular representation, it divides into number of pie charts. Okay. Pie charts, bar charts, just for example, I am saying that like that, we will draw a flow graphs. Okay. Next one, national evaluation. Here, national evaluation is not an important thing here. Next one. See here, linked list representation. You already know about the linked list representation in ADS and DS, isn't it? Nothing but linked list representation comes under graphical representation. Links are connected to the if we are having like this, then it connects to the other, then it's connect to the other. This is nothing but the linked list representation, isn't it? That is also comes under flow graph. Okay, this is an important topic here. These are the two. Flow graph and flow chart generation. Flow chart can be handwritten by the programmer. We know that. Flow chart, flow graph or flow chart or flow algorithm, those are all comes under the theoretical representation or easy understandable by the clients. Client purpose, we are doing the flow graphs and flow charts or algorithms. Okay, that is written by the programmers and automatically produced by the flowchart program based on mechanical analysis of source code. Next one is path testing, paths, nodes, and links. You know the terms path, nodes, and links, isn't it? What is a node? If it is a graphical or a tree, we are having number of nodes in it. We are linking the nodes. What is a path? I mean, I want the leaf node. What is the last node of this graph of this tree? What is the path? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. This is the path, isn't it? These are the links. These are the nodes. Next one. Path testing criteria. Here, path testing, statement testing. Path testing means the flow where it starts and where it ends. That means, I already draw example. This is the path where it starts from the root node to the leaf node. This is the path. If I have another one, this is a path for path testing. Okay, path testing ante enti ante ekkadi nunchi neeku ekkadi varaku neeku path kavali ane daniki correct ga justify cheste akkadi nunchi end point ekkadi varaku undo akkadi varaku meeku test chesi path cheptadi. Okay, 100% it starts from the starting point to the ending point. The path is to be cleared while testing the path testing. Next one, statement testing. Here the statements is nothing but number of lines or number of modules, comes under the number of modules or number of lines in the program. Executes all statements. Statement is nothing but the line in the program. Okay, one line is called a statement. Execute all statements in the program at least once under some test. If we do enough tests to achieve this, we are set to have achieved 100% statement coverage. Next one, branch testing. A branch comes under modules or number of units. See here, execute enough tests to ensure that every branch alternative has been exercised at least once under some test. Common sense and strategies. Branch and statement coverages are accepted today as the minimum mandatory testing requirement. Next one, which paths to be executed? Must see this diagram. Path selection example. What is a path? From beginning to ending. This is the beginning, this is the ending part. Okay. See here, what is the path? First one, A, B, C, D, E is the path. Okay. See, madam, this is the condition. So, condition will have either if it is false, it goes to the other condition. If it is true, it goes again. Like that, the path goes. We don't know how it will go, either in a straight line or it comes to the, the iteration will be performed here, or it goes to the other statement. Any path, we can't say that it will go straight line or it will go like this or it will go like this. Okay, itla manam cheppalem ila eltudi ani cheppi. According to the condition, it goes. Okay, the path will be based on the condition, either it's true or false. Now, this is the practical suggestions. Next one, loops. Loops మీకు తెలుసు. ఏ లూప్ అయినా either for loop or while, do while, if అంటే లూపింగ్స్ లో ఫర్ ఇప్పుడు వరకు డెసిషన్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాము, నెక్స్ట్ లూపింగ్స్ వచ్చాం. ఓకే, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్, ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ మనకు లూప్ ఇటరేట్ అవుతుంది ఏంటి, ఇదిగోండి నెస్టెడ్ లూప్స్, concatenated loops, loop within the loop, nested loop, concatenated loops. ఆ లూప్స్ కి డయాగ్రామ్స్ అమ్మ, గ్రాఫికల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ అమ్మ, దిస్ ఇస్ ఎ గ్రాఫికల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్. ఈ లూప్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంటాయి, డిఫరెంట్ లూప్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్స్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ flow graph and path testing basic concepts. Next concept in this is prediction, path prediction, and available paths. Sorry, achievable paths. What is the meaning of predict? Prediction means before getting the result, we should predict it. That means we should guess, nothing but guess. The logical function evaluated at a decision is called a prediction. Okay, for example, x is greater than 0. For the decision taken, a decision depends upon the value of decision variable. For example, see this, a greater than 0, x plus y less than or greater than or equal to 90. Like that, the prediction will be done. But we don't know the a value, we don't know the x and y values. Just we can predict it, either it is true or false. Next one, path prediction. Here the path prediction is the associated with the path. Okay, this prediction is associated with the path, nothing but path prediction. Here, for example, x is greater than 0, x plus y greater than or equal to 90. Here w is either negative or equal to 10 is true. Here sequence of predicts those truth values will cause the routine to take a specific path. In this prediction, first prediction, we are having multi-way branches, inputs, predicate, interpretation. Next, dependency of variables and prediction. Correlation of variables and prediction. Path predication expressions, predication coverage, testing blindness, assignment blindness, equity blindness, self blindness. These are the terms comes under predicates, path predicates, and achievable paths. Okay, now we are having number of predicates in it. You know about multi-way branches, you know about input, what we are giving to the software, or what we are giving for the path testing. That is nothing but the path which we are giving from the starting to the ending point, where you want. That is nothing but the input. You are giving the input to the system. Next one, predicate interpretations. In the predication logic, how the interpretations will occur, how the interpretations will be done. Next one, independency of variables and predicates. Here our predicates whose truth value can change as a result of processing is said to be process dependent, and one those truth value does not change as a result of the processing is process independent. Next one, correlation of variables and predicates. Here the correlation of variables and predicates consists of two variable correlations. For example, here the predicate is x double equal to y, or another predicate x plus y double equal to 8. Here x and y values are satisfies the first prediction. Okay, what is the first prediction? X double equal to y. If the first prediction is true or satisfied, then we may not have focus to the second prediction, either it's true or false. We are having two predictions. What is those? If x double equal to y, if the first prediction is true, then we don't worry about the second prediction. If the second prediction is true, okay, then we should analyze the first prediction only, because after the first prediction only we will go to the second one. Until unless we are not going to the second prediction, first we should do the first prediction, then we should go to the second prediction. Okay, next one, path prediction expressions. A prediction is nothing but like we will give the two expressions. We should satisfy the two expressions, or I mean one expression in it. Like that, the prediction will be done. Here, prediction coverage. Next, this is the important thing here. Testing blindness. Testing blindness means pathological, and pathological is nothing but harmful or dangerous situation in which the desired path is achievable for the wrong reason. Here we are having three different test blindness. Test blindness ante meeku telugulo example cheppali ante గుడ్డే చేలబడినట్టు రాసేసారు, లేదా గుడ్డే చేలబడినట్టు చేశారు అంటారే, అలాగా ఈ టెస్టింగ్ బ్లైండ్నెస్ లో ఏమవుతుంది అంటే, ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్ అన్ ఎర్రర్ ఆర్ నాట్, అది కరెక్ట్ గా చేయదన్నమాట. అంటే బ్లైండ్ గా చేసుకెళ్ళిపోద్ది. దానికి ఏమొచ్చో అదే చేస్తుంది, కానీ ఇది కరెక్టా రాంగా అని ఆలోచించదు. ఓకే, టెస్టింగ్ బ్లైండ్నెస్ అంటే ఎట్లా? ఇట్స్ వెరీ హార్మ్ఫుల్ టెస్టింగ్. ఎందుకు అంటే అది తప్పైనా సరే అది కరెక్ట్ అని చెప్తుంది. Here in this testing blindness, we are having some blindness methods or types: assignment blindness, equity blindness, self blindness. These are the three blindness types. First one, assignment blindness. See here, what is the correct? X is equal to 7 if y greater than 0, then see this. Next, buggy. That means bug. X is equal to 7 if x plus y greater than 0. Then, చూడండి, అసైన్మెంట్ బ్లైండ్నెస్ లో x is equal to 7 ఇచ్చి y greater than 0 అని ఇచ్చాను. అంటే ఇక్కడ సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్, ఇండివిజువల్ వేరియబుల్ ఏదో ఒకటి 7 అని తీసేసుకొని 7 greater than 0 అని తీసేసుకోండి. బట్ వేరియబుల్ పేర్లు ఏంటి? I'm giving here x, I'm giving here in a condition is y. How it will judge? Either it's true or wrong. We are not declaring y variable, y value. How can it say that it's correct or wrong? See, what is the bug here? X is equal to 7. Then x plus y greater than 0. X plus y greater than 0. If x is 7 greater than 0, it's anyway it is true. But if it is a negative value, what will happen? 7 minus 7 greater than 0. What will happen? It's also a bug. Okay. Next one, equity blindness. Equity blindness always occurs when the path selected by the prior predicate results in the value that works both for the correct and buggy prediction. Y is equal to 2, then if x plus y greater than 3, then see here, bug. y is equal to 2, then x greater than 1. Next, self-blindness. X is equal to a, x minus 1 greater than 0. X is equal to a, x plus a minus 2 greater than 0. That means a plus a minus 2. Now what would happen? A plus a minus 2. Okay, 2a minus 2. 2a minus 2 greater than 0. This is the equation for it. Okay, this is about predictions and path prediction and achievable paths. Next one, path sensitization. Now wait for a second. Path sensitization, path instruction, and last one, applications of path testing. I will tell you that. Okay. My next one, path sensitization. Here in this, we are having a review about achievable and unachievable paths. We want to select and test enough paths to achieve a satisfactory notation of test completeness, such as C1 plus C2. Here in this program, control flow graph and select a set of intensive covering paths. Now see the equation. A plus BC of D plus E, F, G, H, I, J, okay? Those are the number of individual components to predict it. Those predictions will be number of predictions. AD, ante ఇది నేను తీసుకున్న పాత్ అనుకోండి. ఈ పాత్ ని అచీవ్ చేయడానికి ఈ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాత్స్ ని దాటుకొని వెళ్ళాలి. అంటే ఇలా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇది చెయ్యాలి అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇందాక ద కండిషన్ బట్టి ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ ఇట్ గోస్ టు ది అదర్ పాత్, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫాల్స్ దెన్ ఇట్ గోస్ టు ది నెక్స్ట్ పాత్. అంటే పాత్ కండిషన్ మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది అని మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కదా. అలాగే ఇవన్నీ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అయినప్పుడు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాత్స్ will be expressed. Okay, here each product term notates a set of inequity that is solved while yield an input vector. And also if we find a solution, then the path is achievable. If you can't find a solution to any of the sets of inequity, the path is unachievable. And here, what is the meaning of path sensitization? The act of finding, must see the definition. The path of finding is a set of solutions. Path prediction expression is called path sensitization. Okay, here, heuristic procedures for sensitization paths. Heuristic is nothing but a sequence of procedures or step-by-step procedure is called heuristic procedures. Here, this is a workable approach. Instead of selecting the path, without considering how to sensitize, attempt to choose a covering path set that is easy to sensitize and pick hard. Okay, how to sensitize attempts to choose a covering path set that is easy to sensitize. Next one, identify all variables that affect the decision. classify the predicts as dependent or independent. Path selection with an uncorrelated independent predicts. But these are the heuristic procedures for the sensitizing paths. Okay, this is about path sensitization. Next one, path instrumentation. We will discuss tomorrow. In first unit, we are having the 2 topics to complete the first unit. Those are path instrumentation and applications of path testing. Okay. Okay. Thank you.